Hi there, my name's Nyrie Roos and I'm one of the co-founders of Explosion Marketing and Success Stream. And in this video today, what I'm going to talk about is a question that we often get asked, and that is people coming to us asking, how do I make my website search engine friendly so I get ranked higher on Google? Now this is a great question because it's important to have your website SEO optimized. However, keep in mind that this is not the be-all and end-all. It's a part of your SEO strategy. So if you're thinking like some people do, that if you SEO optimize your website, that automatically, magically, your website is going to start ranking really highly on Google, that's not the case. Your whole SEO strategy comes into play here, and that means having to do things as well, looking at the big picture like article submissions, blog directory submissions, building quality backlinks, doing your keyword research really well so you make sure you're targeting really good high quality keywords, competitor analysis, and having a look at the whole big picture, your website optimization, your on and off page optimization, your social media engagement, how you're coming up on the web consistently so you've got a consistent online presence. So all of these factors go into making an SEO strategy. It's not a quick fix, let's just SEO the website. But that being said, it's still a very important part of your SEO strategy. So the key thing I'd like you to do to get your website SEO optimized to start with is go to a site called Yoast, yoast.com, and they have a free plugin there that you can download. Download the free plugin and install it on your WordPress website. Start doing their tutorials and start optimizing your website using the free plugin. Now this will help immensely with your SEO, and it's a really good place to get started. You install it, and even when you're writing blog articles, there's an area down the bottom, a section down the bottom that talks about keywords. You put in your keywords, you look at your meta tags, you look at your synonyms for that article. It gives you a whole lot of factors there to actually focus on and help your website to rank on these search engines. So that get in there, install this free plugin. If you want to, there is a paid version of the plugin. We use the paid version because of our SEO strategies, because it does a whole other range of great things from an SEO perspective. So if you've got the small amount of money that it costs to buy the plugin, I think it's about $90 US. It's a one-off fee. It's well worth the investment. But in any case, start with a free one, get in there and start playing with it on your WordPress website, and it will help to improve your SEO rankings, and it'll get you started on your internal linking and things like that across articles. It'll really get you thinking about your website optimization. So I hope that helps, and if you've got any questions, feel free to contact us, send us an email. We're always happy to answer any questions that you may have. Have a great day.